Hey, it's your girl Steph Perez, and in this video I want to talk about why I chose the roadmap as my tool of choice to help people that want to start an online business. I think it's really important to know that I've actually been in the online business space and the digital marketing space for over 16 years. So I have vast experience, right, of making money online in a variety of different ways. I've actually even been a digital product creator. I have created tons of courses and workshops and, digital products. I've had my own coaching business and my own consulting business. And the reason I decided to lean on the roadmap is that I realized there is a big gap between people wanting to get started and having that desire to get started and going out there, beginning to do their search and do their due diligence and actually getting the results that they desire. And for a lot of people, that's that, 6-figure a year business. And then you have a lot of people in between there that are kind of guesstimating at what it takes, or they're falling for the schemes and they're falling for the biz ops that promise all this money that can be made. But then there's very, very little teaching on actually how to grow an online business. And what I love about the roadmap, to keep it very simple for you, is that people need to learn, right, the skills of digital marketing, and they need to understand the business of online business. This equips you to not only make money right now inside of your business. Like, please understand, no one says that you have to crawl before you walk. No one says that it's going to take you months and months and months to get your business off the ground, right? But there are definitely fundamental there are fundamental things that you've got to learn, right, when it comes to making money online, because you don't want to just set yourself up to make money for today, right? You want to be able to create a long-term sustainable business. I got an email from someone a couple of days ago who's actually been in my world for many, many years, and she's fallen into a situation where she needs to come up with a lot of money fast, or a great deal of money fast. And she's like, oh, I don't know if the roadmap is for me, because that's going to involve me having to learn and, set up a business. I just want to jump into a biz op. She's like, because I don't have time to learn and then get out there and develop myself on YouTube. And my first thought was, well, if you jump into a biz op, you still got to develop yourself someplace. If you have no audience right now, you still have to grow an audience. Do you see how people, they associate certain things that you can do online with just being able to get involved and go out there and make money fast? No, every single business online, no matter what you're selling, needs an audience, right? I don't care whether it's some janky little biz op that's going to allow you to earn instant pay, or whether it's selling t-shirts. You need an audience. You've got to establish yourself. So the reason I relied upon and decided to lean on the roadmap is that it teaches digital marketing, and it teaches the business of online business in such a simplified, comprehensive way. Like, it's so black and white, right? So it allows someone that has no knowledge of digital marketing, no knowledge of the business of online business, right, be able to come in, learn these things, and get set up for online business success very quickly. One of my favorite customers inside of the roadmap, right, she had no experience on any of this stuff. Didn't know what a sales page was, didn't know how to create an opt-in offer, didn't know what building your email list meant, had no payment processor set up, literally ground zero. And within 3 weeks' time of being able to come in, right, learn what digital marketing is, begin to understand the business of online business, within 3 weeks' time, she was set up for online business success. She had a capture page, she had an email list, she had an email campaign, she had a complete sales page, she had a checkout page, she had payment processors set up so that when someone buys from her, they're paying her directly and she's getting paid instantly. She had a fulfillment page, right? And she had 2 digital products that she didn't have to create, that she could begin making money from. And also within 3 weeks' time, she already began to go out on YouTube and Facebook and began to shoot videos, right, introducing other people to this amazing thing, right, that she had access to. right? So the reason I decided to lean on the roadmap is that people need to understand this stuff in a simplified way, in a step-by-step fashion, and they need to be able to equip themselves to get set up really, really fast, right? And another reason I decided to lean on it, right, is because if someone doesn't have like a product idea, or they don't want to go out there and join a biz op or join an MLM, or they don't want to go create a product of their own, right? We actually give them that product to sell, which is our comprehensive digital marketing and online business course, which was the exact same way I got started way back in 2007, right? Is I came online, I knew nothing about making money online, literally no knowledge whatsoever. I didn't even have a YouTube channel. I set up my YouTube channel so that I could actually start my business, bought a webcam so that I could actually start my business. And I learned from that ebook. I learned from that system that I was in. And as I learned, I turned right back around and I showed up on YouTube every single day, sharing what I was learning and inviting other people to come into this learning environment with me. And in my first 3 days, I made my first sale. In my first 30 days, I made 28 sales. And I truly believe that was possible because I didn't have to spend weeks and weeks and weeks or months and months and months trying to figure out what to sell, learning how to actually create it, going out there and doing all this market research, having to learn all of this crazy tech. I was able to learn from something and then get out there and get excited over the idea that more people needed to know what it was that I was actually learning. And so I'm here to tell you, like, it doesn't take you having to already have a lot of success or have made any money, right, to make money. There are so many people out there that want to start an online business. They want to learn digital marketing. They don't even know what it is that they need. And if you can go out there and be someone that's just a step or two ahead of them and to let them know you have found something that's working for you and that you are learning from, people don't need income claims. They don't need you sharing the fact that you made a lot of money because your money means nothing to them. The amount of money I make means nothing to you. What should mean something to you is the fact that I have a resource that if you plug into, you can learn what I know about making money online and go out there and do the things that I'm doing to create your own unique level of success. And that's what I love about the roadmap, is as people discover me and they want to model my business, I get to turn them on, right, to a platform that allows them to learn exactly what I know about making money online. And this is exactly like, this is the gap filler, right, that's lacking in so many people's businesses. So you now can go from a desire to want to make money online and, start an online business to actually having that element that can teach you what it is, right, that you need to learn and help you develop those digital marketing and online business skills so that you actually have a fair fighting chance, right, to reach your goals. No matter what those goals are, like, you are actually equipped to be able to reach them. And again, I love the fact that we give you that license that if you don't have a product to sell of your own, right, that you can actually just sell this course as your own and keep 100% of the money. This is not an affiliate relationship. This is something where you have a license to sell it as your own, which means when you log in, right, after you invest into this course, that you can actually download the entire course. And again, you have it as your own forever. No one can ever take away the knowledge that you acquire, the skills that you developed, or this course that you actually invest into. You guys, and that's how we decide to stay in business for the long term, where when life happens, we're not out there searching for some biz op to help us make some quick money. No, instead, at some point we decided to learn digital marketing, learn the business of online business, get set up and decide that we are going to create this asset in our life, right, that can continue to pay us, right, on a daily, weekly, and or monthly basis based upon, right, treating this like an actual business and not like some lottery ticket. Right? And so I really hope like this has been able to help you if you've been out there looking for information on the roadmap. I feel like as someone that's been in this space for 16 years that I really wanted to share that, yes, I could have gone out there and I could have just decided to sell one of my digital marketing or online business courses. But here's what I didn't want to do. I wanted to know that by selling the roadmap, that when someone comes on board, if they love the idea of selling the roadmap the way that I'm selling it, I love knowing that I can give them that opportunity, that I'm selling so much more than just information. Because with just information, there still is a lot of work that you've got to do to decide what you're going to sell and market research and all of these individual things, which again creates another gap and creates another opportunity, right, for not doing anything. I love knowing that if you are attracted to my business and you want to learn what it is that I know, that you have the true opportunity to sell exactly what I am selling, right? So that we get to close that gap. You get to learn, you can get your business set up and actually have something to sell to make you $500 every single time that you sell it, paid instantly and directly to you, right? And that now you have everything that you need, all of the training, all of the instructions, all of the guidance to help you go out there and not just create your first sale, but actually hit your goals. Maybe that's 6 figures or more in the next 12 months or less, like so many of my community members. So I really hope like this has been able to help you. If you do want to learn more about the roadmap, this digital marketing course with master resale rights, just go to goprowithsteph.com. The link is right down below in the description. Get all of the details there. And if you want to learn more about my bonus mentorship community, where you get added support and guidance along your journey to help you all throughout the year 2024, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to give you the details on how you can actually get that for free right now. All right, it's your girl, Steph Perez. Make sure you do subscribe and click on notifications, right? If starting an online business is like what you're really, really focused on right now and you want a good source, right, of information and guidance to help you on this journey. I'll see you in my next video. And again, take action. Go to goprowithsteph.com to learn more about the roadmap and this digital marketing course with master resale rights. Bye-bye.